Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this very short video, we are going to listen a Kurdish song. You will like it a lot. And then I will try to explain this song, at least beginning of this song to you. I will explain to you. And then you will see how easy the Kurdish is. So let's start. Our song is called Aze Bakhcheki Chekum. It's from Said Yusuf. Let's start. Okay, so our first sentence was Aze Bakhcheki Chekum Tevde Nergiz U Shler Ushtara Ava Bukum Khaniki Duri Bajer. Aze Bakhcheki Chekum, I will make a garden. I will build a garden. Tevde Nergiz U Shler, full of narcissus and tulips. Okay, Nergiz is this nice flower. It's yellow and white, I think. It's called narcissus in English. And tulip, shler is a kind of tulip, but it's a bit strange tulips because it is this way, okay? Not this way, but this way. And ushtara avabukum, and I will build for you khaniki duri bajer, a house far from city. So let's listen to it again. It will be very easier for you. Da-da-da-dum. Yes. Yes, that's all. So I will put the link of the song below the video, so you can listen to it if you want. So thank you so much for your attention. Have a great night. Bye bye. Paka paka. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons again and again. So today we are going to study on our second song. It is called Gule. Yes, Gule, my name. So the singer is Yunus Dishkaya, but the poem belongs to Kamran Ali Badr Khan. Okay, so if you are ready, let's listen to it.
تیرونه خنچر بود نه مارونه اژدر بود دهنا گل از پشتم نه شورونه ششدر بود نه تیرونه خنچر بود نه مارونه اژدر بود دهنا گل از پشتم نه شورونه ششدر بود گل.
So let's remember our first sentences. It says, let me see. نتیر اونه خنجر بو نمار اونه اجدر بو بهنا گله از کشتم نشور اونه ششدر بو. So first one, نتیر اونه خنجر بو. It wasn't an arrow, it wasn't a dagger, so this knife dagger, I think it's called خنجر dagger. نمار اونه اجدر بو. It wasn't a snake, it wasn't a dragon اجدر. بهنا گله از کشتم. The smell of gule killed me. نشور و نششتر بو. Shur is sword. But Sheshter, let me think about Sheshter. Let me check. So where is Sheshter? Sheshter. Sheshter. It says Çekeki pchuk e agriye. So Sheshter, or actually originally Sheshderb, it's a kind of gun, small gun. Okay, so it says it is not a sword, it is not a gun, it was not a snake, it was not a dragon, it wasn't an arrow, it wasn't a dagger, but it was the smell of gule which killed me. Okay, it's very romantic. Let's listen to it once more. Oops. 1 second. Oops, here. Oops.
تیرونه خنچر بود نه مارونه اژدر بود دهنا گل از پشتم نه شورونه ششدر بود نه تیرونه خنچر بود نه مارونه اژدر بود دهنا گل از پشتم نه شورونه ششدر بود.
Yes, thank you so much. It's a very nice song. You can listen to it. And the singer is Yunus Dishkaya on YouTube. Yunus Dishkaya, if you write, you can find. And the song is called Gule. So thank you so much. Have a great Saturday.